Here's a simple trick that catches drilling dust right at the source, keeping it contained instead of letting it spread everywhere. I really wish I'd known this handy trick for making an adapter to connect a hose to a faucet sooner. This concrete stencil makes it super easy to get a stunning cobblestone look right in your own yard. This innovation is seriously award-worthy. He built a homemade cage for his hens, and the result is incredible. By the way, you don't need to call a whole repair crew to fix a pothole. With some polymer, sand, and a shovel, you can get the job done yourself. Not only does it make things look smooth, but it also solves a major problem in your work. Seriously useful. No arguments here. This is hands down a total game changer. When the boss says, "Once you're done, we're all heading to the bar." Oh my god, creating textured decor using just a can is seriously next-level creativity. This man just literally built a power station in just a bucket? That's insane! Don't forget the hidden spots. Cleaning the back of your rolling shutters stops mold from forming and keeps them running smoothly for years. You wouldn't think roof insulation has anything to do with walking on stilts, but a real pro uses every bit of their skill to get it done. This is the new solar tube technology. Tubular skylights that you install in your roof to bring daylight straight into your home. Make a trendy designer mirror without spending much. Just shape expanding foam around the edges and paint it. A super easy, stylish decor hack on a budget. This machine can handle tasks that usually require many workers, simplifying the job significantly. Instead of throwing them away, those bottles can be used to build a wooden border that works in any garden. Surprisingly, all you need to make the cutting process much smoother is just one pallet truck and a partner. This simple hose crimping trick can stop water instantly without needing a shutoff valve. It's a quick, temporary fix that comes in handy when you're doing repairs and need the water under control fast. Stop just covering up those holes in your drywall with posters. This simple repair trick using a mold can actually restore your wall to how it looked before. This guy cutting through concrete with an excavator saw like it's butter is seriously next level. Easily a 1,000 out of 10. Robots are clearly advancing fast, and this one could impact construction jobs in the next few years, and it could replace many jobs along the way. Driving something like this must be incredibly difficult, especially with its size and complexity. Watch this and you'll start questioning if real wooden fences are even a thing. This wire version is that amazing. Check out another foundation lifting project where an entire house is raised for structural repairs, a clever trick that can save buildings from demolition. Before you start painting, use this handy tool to remove the old paint first. With just cement and a few bricks, you can make an amazing little waterfall to decorate your house or garden. This simple trick makes it so easy, you'll be saying goodbye to that old paint layer in no time. Lost a wall anchor? This clever wine corkscrew trick pulls broken plugs out of drywall in seconds. No need to buy special extraction tools. That's the tool professional roofers use to remove tiles quickly and accurately. Now you know how they get it done so fast. Did you know you can use a belt to tighten screws faster and twice as efficiently? This simple shoe hack turns old work boots into a makeshift concrete bucket. A clever way to save money. Man, it just looks so satisfying and smooth. Just one touch and they just fell down like butter. To link the east and west sides of Draperwood River Preserve, builders put up an impressive 50-meter wooden bridge in just 3 weeks. Exposed wires? Don't worry, this trick with heat shrink tubing has you covered. This simple hack makes scraping old paint way easier. When you mix cement in a bucket, it's obvious you're going to make a mess. But this guy just fixed that problem. Check out this guy cutting corners on a vinyl floor like a pro using a simple right-angle trick. Who even needs a hammer when you've got this gang? This pro painter doesn't even use paint on his rollers, but his work is still on fire. Who needs real bricks when a sponge can give you the same brick texture? What if I told you that in just a few minutes, you could turn an ordinary lid into a handy drill attachment for those hard-to-reach spots? It's nearly impossible to measure a tile perfectly in a tricky, uneven spot, unless you use this clever hack. Want to cover your walls with bricks without making a mess? Just use duct tape to mark and level the area you want to decorate. Not even gravity can stop these pros from leveling cement perfectly. This kind of system can be super useful in certain situations. If you've got a leaking valve, this trick will fix it for just 25 cents. All it takes to get your trowel shiny again is a drill, wire brush, and rust remover. No more heavy lifting. This device does the hard work for you. This compactor does all the hard work while the guy just watches over it. Fill the gaps using a mix of white cement, sand, and frost-resistant pigment to lock the stone slabs together nicely. You can take an old key and turn it into something really useful like this. Glass mesh does more than just patch cracks. It can stick on its own to make the area stronger and more durable. Cutting it with a scissor would take way too long. Use a protective shield to stop material from spilling and keep it from spreading in the air. The steel bars are all tightly fastened together with the help of an automatic device. The grass is nicely coated with a fresh green color. This roller is super handy for getting into tight spaces. Even if you have to fix a whole sink, these noodles can get the job done. Facade Click is a system that attaches wall panels from the inside using wall bars. Don't let your rollers sit dirty. Here's a quick tip to clean them right. A cardboard disc can cut wood just like a real saw. Bet you didn't know you can use a plastic bottle instead of glue. a surprisingly clever alternative to the usual stuff. With a bit of creativity, you can turn an old saw blade into a solid stand for a laser level. These are awesome materials. If you're a skilled builder, you can paint and decorate them to turn a regular facade into a stylish, vintage-looking one. You should let this excavator level the ground for you. Using old tires to build roads cuts down landfill waste and helps the environment. So instead of tossing them out, donate your old tires to construction companies. Unless you want to wake up in a Mad Max world one day. He really knows how to pull off a clever trick. Even Spider-Man would struggle with messy wires. This simple bucket trick fixes that. If joining two pipes feels like a struggle, this guy's got a simple solution. Instead of baking, this cake of dust and putty makes a wooden floor shine like new. Nike, Adidas, New Balance, forget all that. I just want these two buckets to literally protect my legs from everything. Plus, there's even room to stash my hammer.